Data page and linked property pages. We will not discuss now. We will discuss in coming sessions. Okay. So I have one question on that user pages. What are the other pages which I can access? Yeah. That's what I am telling. These other pages are a Pega, internal processing pages. These pages which was created right D100, square, PZ in all. These are Pega internal processing pages. Okay, these are not related to our case. Okay. Actually, these are related to our case only, but these are not. Actually, we are least bothered about these pages. Like. These are the pages which were created by Pega. Okay. For the internal processing. Okay, we will not use these pages. Okay. So, if any issue is there in terms of data mismatch, in terms of data loss, so we just need to think about this like a PY work page only and just go and cross-check in that page. Rest of others. Usually that will be not the case where we will able to find anything from this internal pages. So no need to go. We will only no need to go and check. We will be checking on PY work page and inside pages also. We need to take care of embedded pages also. Okay. Okay. You understand. Clear. Okay. Next one is system pages. What is system pages? System pages contains your system-related information. System-related information means whoever who is operator logged in and also on what node, in the sense on what server the system is actually hosted and like all the background processing details. You will check on system pages. If you expand the system pages you see there is an operator ID. If you click on this operator ID, I have logged in as author right. See update operators. Author. You can see all the system-related information. System-related information is all the server details, all the security details. You can see, let me open any PCPX security snapshot. These are some encoded values will be there. Okay, these are also will not use, but just for interview purpose. You have to check like they might ask you. Okay, where you can find something called DB tracer, settings on all. You can say like it will be present on the system pages. Okay, it will be present on the system pages. System pages are for system pages. Holds a data of. Holds a data of system. Like it will hold the data of your, these things like DB, information, server information, operator IDs. Okay, those things it will hold. You understand it. You can enable to see some properties that let me show you. Session context. You couldn't find much details, but in a real-time application you can get all those details. And there's. See, this is some URL, okay, which you have logged in. Now see this URL. In essence, this is some kind of server. You might explain these things also. You understand it, the basic idea of system pages. System pages holds the information of your system on which server it has hosted. Whoever the operator has logged in. So we can't change anything from this pages. No, you can't change. You can't change anything. These are all read-only pages. Okay. Okay, you can just extract the data. Like there might be any. There might be any admin team. Okay, they might ask you on what server they have hosted and all. Okay for maintenance. See, you have got hosted. On the top right corner, as I can see. Edit reference. Edit option. Yeah. Know these. These. Edit is for debugging purpose. Okay, if you edit on a clipboard, it will not change on database. This is for our local internal process purpose and debugging. I will tell you. Okay, what is this edit? Whenever we're configuring I'll tell you. You understand it. Hosted. You can find some details with here. So main purpose of this pages is what we can say. Like if some sort of customer data is missing, so just can make sure that whether the system, no system pages is not related to any customer data and all system pages is only the above one user pages. User pages is related to your case. That is like whenever some data is missing or whenever you need to debug, you will use the user pages only. Okay. System pages holds your application related information. Like application in the sense. What is the server on it on which it is hosting? Like whoever the operator has logged in those details. This user pages contains, like you, not user pages. Sorry, those details. The system pages contains. Got it. System pages. You can only read the data like read, in the sense you cannot modify anything. You can just extract the data. If you want to show in any report or any email, you can use this information. Okay. Most of the time. No one will change all these things. 99% they will. No one will change all these URLs and all. Okay, it will be coming from the instance itself. The Pega will provide you the instance in the sense 1.1.1 environment. Okay. You understand system. If someone asks what is the system pages contains a data related to your application in the sense on which server it has hosted. Who is a logged-in operator? Other security details. Those will happen. What will happen if we click on the hyperlink? Let's say any like. These are all properties. Okay, we'll discuss. If you click on this one will open the property in the background property rule. It will open here. In the sense in the Designer Studio here. It will try to open. Okay. Yeah. Any questions till now? System pages and user pages. You can see if I click on Operator ID page. You can see. See, this is my requester ID. You know right. The requesters whatever. Whoever the operators have logged in, all those operators are called requesters. Okay, and all those operators will be having one requester ID. Suppose to the same application. If which has logged in and I have logged in and some other person has logged in, 3 operators will be having 3 different requester IDs requester. This is nothing but something like unique ID for each and every operator. The server will assign to you. Okay, these things you will not change. Okay, you cannot modify this requester ID in the background at all.